Hey, welcome back. Mr. Hardiman just showed you one way to solve this problem using the FOIL method. So first terms, outside terms, inside terms, last terms. So for those of you who are visual learners, sometimes doing the distributive property multiple ways gets a little confusing. So you want a different visual way to do it. Well, in my classroom, we talk about using the area model. And so I'm going to set up this same problem he just did. We already know what the answer is. Okay, so this is just another way of visualizing what we're doing. So I know that r minus k divided by 5 squared is going to be r minus k over 5 times r minus k over 5. You know, we've already established that. Mr. Hardman just showed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my box. Again, this is like area model. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each expression on either side of the box. Okay, now we know when we find area, basic concept, length times width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the two terms on either side of each box, and I'm going to put the simplified expression inside. So r times r gives us r squared. We know that. R times the opposite of k over 5 is going to be negative r times k over 5. So that gives us a fraction. I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, r times negative 5 k over 5. Okay, and then I'm going to get my final term. So negative k over 5 times negative k over 5, two negatives are going to give us a positive. So k times k is k squared. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, now if you're familiar with the area model, the first term ends up in the top box. The last term ends up in the box on the lower right. And then the middle two terms get added up. So what do you see? You see that there are two of these exact same terms. So that's going to end up being, r squared for my first term, a negative 2 rk over 5 for my middle term, and then plus k squared over 25. And again, we already know, because Mr. Hardman already did this problem, that we knew the answer was C.